Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn the capital account of partners. Today's topic is capital account of partners. In a partnership business, how we will prepare the partners capital account and what are the methods of preparing the partners capital account. So here are two methods of preparing the partners capital account. First one is fixed capital method. Fixed capital method. And second one is fluctuating capital method. Fluctuating capital method. Under the fixed capital method, we will prepare two types of account. First one is partners capital account and second one is partners current account. Here two types of account we will prepare. But under the fluctuating capital method, we will prepare only single partners capital account, which is partners capital account. Now see here what is the difference between both fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Here what we will do, and fluctuating, in case of fluctuating what we will do, first of all see here, in case of fixed capital method we will prepare two types of account. First one is partners capital account and second partners current account. In this partners capital account, the capital of the partner will unchanged. Unchanged in the sense, whatever the capital is mentioned in the question, you will write down into the ledger book. It will be same as at the end of the year. Any amount, any changes which has been given in the question, just like providing interest on capital, charging interest on drawing, like this. So all these, providing salary to the partner, making a reserve, all these activities will be done under the partners current account, not under the partners capital account. It means under the partners capital account we will write down the capital of the partner as it is and the opening capital of the partner and closing capital of the partner will be same. Suppose, just for example, see here, here is a question, A and B both are partner, having a fixed capital of rupees 5 lakh and 4 lakh. These are the fixed capital. Here in question is mentioned that interest on capital will be provided at the rate of 10% per annum. It is mentioned in the question. And the net profit of the firm, suppose that, is given rupees 2 lakh. This is the net profit of the firm. Suppose in question it is mentioned that you have to prepare the partners capital account. Then what you will do? You will create two ledger. First ledger will be partners capital account, partners capital account here, and second ledger will be partners current account. Two ledger will be created here. In first ledger, what you will do? In first ledger, you will show only the capital amount here. Capital is liability, so you will show the credit in the credit side. Here is the debit side and credit side. You will show here by balance BD opening capital. How much? First one 500,000 and second 400,000, like this. In question it is mentioned that you have to provide interest on capital. It means firm will provide interest on capital at the rate of 10%, but here you need not to change anything. Just you will write here 500, 500, it will be as it is. This capital will be the closing capital as it is, no any change. In partner's current account, we will show the interest on capital, not in the partner's capital account. So in fixed capital method, we will have to prepare two accounts. First one is partner's capital account and second partner's current account. And partner's capital account means it will be unchanged. There will be no change in the ledger account of partner's capital account. We will show only the capital account into the partner's capital account. And any type of expense, any type of payment, any type of income will be shown under the partner's current account. And if you will solve the problem, then it will be mentioned that under which method you have to prepare the partner's current account, fluctuating method or fixed method. It will be mentioned in the question. Here fluctuating capital method. Under this method you will have to prepare only single account, which is partner's capital account. Here you will show all the things, whatever you are getting and whatever you are paying and what is your capital, all these things will be mentioned here under the partner's capital account. So in question it will be mentioned. You need not to worry about that how we will prepare, how we will understand, where it will be mentioned in the question. So this is all about partner's capital account.